We're kind of in this pattern where about every other day we're having to bust out the shovels. Today was no exception, and guess what? More snow is in the forecast as we head into tomorrow as well. This is another potent clipper system. It's mainly Saturday evening, late afternoon into the evening. That's when the snowiest conditions are expected. Couple inches possible in the Twin Cities, but we're kind of on the northern fringe of this. It's areas in southern Minnesota with a better chance of seeing more plowable amounts of snow, I-90 corridor in particular. But regardless, slippery travel is expected during the tail end of the day tomorrow, followed by yet another push of Arctic temperatures that will be on Sunday. Outside right now, however, it feels kind of balmy with temperatures in the mid to upper 20s at the moment. Here's a live shot from Stillwater. This is our VAC TV camera on top of the Water Street Inn. You can see the colors of the lights already up for display. And yes, even parts of the St. Croix River froze over right now. I would not walk on that, at least yet. 27 degrees our current temperature. It's about as warm as it gets over the next several days, with another dip expected Saturday into Sunday. But these warmer temperatures are helping to improve road conditions from what we saw earlier today. The dusting to an inch of snow, for the most part, melting on our roads. Any treated surface when temperatures are this warm does a very good job at cleaning off the roads, so thankful for that. You can see the leftover snow now exiting the state. We will stay snow-free probably over the next 18 hours or so before our next weather system approaches. It's a modified Pacific system, which is currently over the Pacific Northwest. This is going to give us some snow showers, probably starting mid-afternoon tomorrow. So if you have any shopping that you need to get done tomorrow and you don't want to drive in snow, just do it during the morning. Do it during the first half of the day, because the longer you stay out, the better your chances of encountering some of that snow. Let's check out Microcast. This is 3 p.m. Notice the snow coming in from that westerly direction, arriving around the Twin Cities, probably mid-afternoon, a little earlier for areas in southwestern Minnesota. Trickiest travel, probably between sundown and about 8, 9 o'clock in the evening. You can see the deeper color blue right here. That indicates more heavier snow. And you can see areas along and north of I-94 seeing less of an impact from this snow. So the further south you go, the snowier the conditions are expected. This is a system that's moving. It's not going to stick around very long. So before daybreak on Sunday, the snow is pretty much gone. Let's talk about how much snow we are expected to see. Well, of course, areas in southern Minnesota, the best chance of that 3 to 5 inches of snow. Might see some pockets of up to 6 inches, but you can see the snowfall total really drops off the further north you go. Twin Cities, couple inches of snow, and you can see north metro locations a dusting to an inch. Meanwhile, areas along and south of 494, a better chance of that 2-3 inches of snow, and again, most of that falling later tomorrow evening. So the timing of this, well, you can see it's mainly the tail end of the day tomorrow into the evening hours, and you can see temperatures, of course, a lot cooler. We're near 30 today. We'll be shy of 20 tomorrow. So a big change in temperatures. That up and down pattern continues. For tonight, flurries depart. With some partial clearing tonight, we drop to 10 above, even colder for areas outside the Twin Cities. And evening snow tomorrow, the high temperature at 18. And guess what? It gets quite a bit colder as we head into Sunday. Another push of that Arctic air. After a fairly quiet start to the week, guess what? Another weather impact alert later Tuesday into Wednesday. This is another one of those potent clipper systems, which might start off as a wintry mix later Tuesday before transitioning to snow. Still tough to say on snowfall amounts, but it does look like an impactful system is possible the middle part of next week.